Severe flash floods in Assam have affected 22,124 people across 6 districts as continuous heavy rainfall over the past 2 weeks continues to trigger widespread disruption across northeast India. The worst hit district is Dhemaji, while a red alert has been issued in Arunachal Pradesh due to worsening weather conditions. In Dhemaji district, a railway bridge between Archipathar and Simen Chapari stations became unstable after riverbank erosion weakened a pillar, forcing the suspension of train services. However, no loss of life have been reported. The Northeast Frontier Railway has arranged bus services for stranded passengers and set up help desks at multiple stations to assist travelers. According to the Assam State Disaster Management Authority, around 16,000 people across 69 villages in Dhemaji have been affected by the floods, highlighting the scale of the damage in the region. In a separate incident, 4 people were swept away by the Simen River. 3 were rescued safely while 1 person remains missing. Rescue operations are being carried out by the teams from the NDRF and the Assam Fire and Emergency Services. In Arunachal Pradesh, several tourists and a patient were airlifted to safety by helicopters while search operations are continuing for 4 missing persons. The Meteorological Department has warned that heavy rainfall, flash floods and landslides may continue in the coming days, raising concerns about further disruption. On the administrative front, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has directed ministers to remain present in the affected areas and closely monitor ongoing relief and rescue operations. At the central level, Union Home Minister Amit Shah reviewed the situation after holding a telephonic conversation with Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. The Chief Minister later informed the public through the social media platform X that he had briefed the Home Minister on relief and rehabilitation measures. The centre has reiterated its assurance of full support as emergency response operations continue across the flood-affected regions. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.